ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn about median. Median in statistics. You are going to learn about median of the data, median of ungrouped data, median of grouped data also. So let me introduce myself. You are all familiar with that. I am Yogananda, teaching class 10 mathematics. We are in statistics. In statistics, you learnt about mean, mode. Now we are going to come, or we are going to take median. In each mean, median, mode, we have 2 classifications: ungrouped data, grouped data. Ungrouped data is easy, it's 2 mark question or 1 mark question. Grouped data is a tabular form method, which is going to be little tough. In mean, you have got 3 different methods. In mode, only one big formula method, one method. In mode, same one formula method. Grouped data, ungrouped data. So first of all, we should understand what is median of the data. Say, for example, there are 3 students sitting in a row or standing in a row. 3 students are standing in a row. Who is the middle student? This fellow is middle. He is called median of the data. 3 students, middle one is median. Understand the concept here, very beautiful concept. When you are given data in terms of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the median of these 3, 5 observations? We have already arranged them in ascending order: first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Who is the middle one? This fellow. Middle one is called the median. Remember that. When you are given ungrouped data, collect the observations in ascending order or descending order. Then try to locate the most middle part of the data. Sometimes only one data is available, sometimes 2 are available. If one is available, that particular term is called the middle term. It is also called as the median. Suppose there are 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there are 2 middle terms. Two middle terms are available, 2 and 3. So find out the median of these. 2 plus 3 by 2 is the median. So when there are 4 students, there are 2 middle students, find the average. So median is a concept wherein you can find the middle or middlemost. Remember that median is either one term or the average of two middle terms. It depends upon the data given. When the odd number of data is given, only one middle term is available. When the even number of terms are available, even number of data is available, then there are two middle terms possible, and you have to find the average of those two middle terms. In short, I will tell you, please write down this way. Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation of the data. Recall that for finding the median of ungrouped data, we must first arrange them either in ascending order or descending order. The order is very important. After that, if n is odd, the median is n plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, then there are two middle terms possible, which is n by 2 and n plus 2 by 2, and you have to find the average of these two. I am writing the same thing on the board. T1, T2, term 3, term 4, like that, term n. There are n terms available. Out of the n terms available, if n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term is middle term. Look at that, I am repeating it once again. There are n terms, n observations. Observations are written as T1, T2, T3, T4, so on Tn. I am not writing, in general I am writing n observations. If n is odd, odd means what? 11. There are 11 terms. 11 plus 1, 12 by 2, 6th term is the middle term. After arranging them in the ascending order, you must look at the 6th term. 6th term is the middle term. If n is equal to even, then what happens? N by 2 and n plus 2 by 2 are middle terms. Understand this. If n is equal to even, say for example n is 10, how to find the middle terms? 10 is even, 10 by 2, 5th one, and 10 plus 2, 12 by 2, 6th one. 5th and 6th terms are the middlemost terms. If n is odd, only one middle term. If n is even, two middle terms. How to find the median of this sequence of observations? Then take the average of these two terms, that is what is called median. Now, I am going to give two examples. For the examples, you must find the median. How to find the median for the given example? Find median of 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. The data is already given in ascending order. You can see that. What is the first term? 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Is the data given in ascending order? Yes, it is in order. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms are there. 7 terms are there. 7 observations are there. 7, is it odd number or even number? It is odd number. Odd number means, then how to find the middle term? 7 plus 1 by 2, 8 by 2, 4th term is middle term. What is the 4th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Therefore, 10 is middle term. Therefore, you can say that median is equal to 10. Have you understood that? How to find the median of the given observations, ungrouped observations 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 11 is not there. Just as it is, they are given in ascending order. With the help of ascending order, how many terms are there, locate that, whether it is odd or even. As per that, you can conclude middle term or terms, then you can find the median.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITN and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
Understood? I will do one more problem. I will write one more problem here on the board. You have to do this. Find median. Find median. 5, 7, 9, 4, 2, 3, 10, 1, 6. This is the data given. Find median of the given data. How many observations are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I will include one more. 10 observations are given. How many observations are given? 10. 5, 7, 9, 4, 2, 3, 10, 1, 6, 8. So, either you can write them in ascending order or descending order. In order. What order? Ascending or descending? Upward arrow. Ascending order we will write. In order ascending. So, first look at the smallest one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All are rounded off. So, how many terms are there? 10 terms are there. 10 observations are there. All these 10 observations are now written in the ascending order of magnitude. N is equal to 10. Is it even or odd? It is even. We can write in brackets, it is even. If it is even, what is the formula? N by 2 and n plus 2 by 2. What is n by 2? 10 by 2, fifth. N plus 2 by 2, 10 plus 2 by 2, 12 by 2, sixth. Fifth and sixth terms are middle terms. Look at that. Fifth and sixth are middle terms. What are they? Fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 6 are middle terms. Here I have written 10 observations and the observations numbers are also same, 1 to 10. That is the reason 5 and 6 are the values. How to find the median? Median is average of these two. 5 plus 6 by 2, 11 by 2, 5.5 is the median. This is the examination question. You may be asked an examination question like this for 2 marks in examination. I am going to do one more problem which is examination question. So, before that let me remind you the theory about median. Statistics, there are 3 subtopics: mean, mode, median. We are now doing median. In median, when ungrouped data, there are n observations given. N observations may be written as n terms. First observation is first term, second term, third term, like that. N observations are taken as n observations or n terms like this. If n is odd, n plus 1 by 2th term is the middle term. If n is even, there are two middle terms available. I have written the formulae, and with the help of that you can find the median of any data. Now we are going to do some examination questions which were asked in the examination. The examination asked question, we are now trying to do one problem. Median is a very easy concept. Generally 2 marks are given from this. Write the first 10 prime numbers and find their median. Write the first 10 prime numbers. Write the first 10 prime numbers and find median is the question. It is a 2 mark question. Write the first 10 prime numbers and find median. You have to find 10 prime numbers first. You are already familiar with that. What is a prime number? A number A is said to be a prime number if the only divisors are 1 and itself. Am I right? 1 and itself. Take 1, it is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Take 2, 2 has got only divisors 1 and 2. 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. Take 4, 4 has divisors 1 into 4, 2 into 2. So, when you take 4, it is written as 1 into 4, 2 into 2. What are the divisors? 1, 2, 4. Extra divisor 2 is there, therefore, it is not prime number, it is a composite number. Suppose take 5. 1 into 5. Anything else? No. 1, comma 5 are the divisors, or the only divisors, or the factors. A number A is said to be a prime number if the only divisors are 1 and itself. So, 5 is called a prime number because the factors, the divisors of 5 are 1 and 5 only, are divisors. Therefore, 5 is prime. 4 is non-prime, so 5 is prime. So, like that you have to list out the prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? So, let me list out all the prime numbers up to 10. 10 prime numbers, not up to 10. 10 prime numbers. 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, do not write. 2 is a prime number or composite number. It is a prime number because the only divisors are 1 and 2. Next one is 3. Next one is 4. 4 is a composite number. It is not a prime number because it has 2 is also a divisor. 4, 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 7 is a prime number. 8 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number. 10 is not a prime number. 11 is a prime number because the only divisors are 1 and 11. 12 is not a prime number. 13 is a prime number. 14 is not. 15 is not. 16 is not. 17 is a prime number. 18 is not a prime number. 19 is a prime number. 20 is not. 21. 7 into 3, therefore 21 is not a prime number, it is a composite number. 22, 11 into 2, it is not a prime number. 23, no divisors other than 1 and 23. So, 24 not, 25 is not, 26 is not a prime number, 27 not a prime number, 28 not a prime number, 29 is a prime number because the only divisors are 1 and 29. So, like that 30 is not a prime number, you can proceed further, but you must write only the first 10. What are the first 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, these are the first 10 primes. Understood? So, we have stopped exactly at 29. That means we can write the list of prime numbers up to 30, what is the median? The same question holds. Up to 30, you write all the prime numbers list, find the median, that is the question. Are they in the ascending order? They are in order. Ascending order or descending order? Ascending order. They are in ascending order. So, how many terms are there? N is equal to 10. Is it even or odd? It is even number. If it is even number, what are the middle terms? N by 2, n plus 2 by 2 are middle terms. Am I right? What are they? N is 10, 10 by 2. 10 plus 2, 12 by 2 are middle terms. What are they? Fifth and sixth are middle terms. What is the fifth term? Count that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is fifth term, T5 and T6, sixth term. They are 11 and 13. Understood? What are the middle terms? 11 and 13 are the middle terms. Therefore, median is equal to 11 plus 13 by 2. It is 24 by 2, which is 12. 12 is the answer. It is a 2-mark question. We can straight away do this problem also. It is a 2-mark question. Similarly, I will give you one more example. You have to do this. Find median of 30, 40, 20, 50, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values are given. How to find the median for this 5 values? 5 observations are given. How to find the median? Look at this, arrange them in order. First one is smaller one, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50, 70. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 this side, 2 that side. This is middle. Am I right? It is median. That's it. Very easy to locate the answer. Sometimes a very short answer question may be asked. Some descriptive question may be asked. Multiple choice question may be asked. In multiple choice question, find the median of the following 30, 40, 20, 50, 70 is what? A answer 30, B answer 50, C answer 70, D answer 40, like that ABCD may be given. So, in that case, how to find that answer? Very easy. Just look at them, arrange them in ascending order and locate the middle term or the most middle term. If 2 terms are possible, take the 2 and average, find the average of that, you get the answer. So, like that we can do it. One more question shall we do? Find median of 10 students' marks out of 100. First student got 37 marks, second student got 22 marks, third one 43, fourth one 58, fifth one 62, sixth one 34, seventh one 85, ninth one 93, 10th one 43. 10 students marks are given like this. You have to find the median of the 10 students marks out of 100. So, first thing you have to do is arrange them in order. In order. You have to arrange them in order. What is the minimum one? Just see, 43, 34 seems to be minimum, small, 22 is the minimum. Round it off so that you do not need to calculate again. Next, after 22 comes 37, 34. 34 is rounded off. Next, among the remaining, which is the smallest? 37 is the smallest. Round it off. Among the remaining, 43, 43. So, write 43 twice. Next, 58. Next, 62. Next, 85. Next, 93. So, 10 students marks are collected. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, I will write 9 only here otherwise. Find median of 9 students marks out of 100. 85 is also taken, 93 is also taken. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First 4, last 4, next 43 is the median. This is the answer. So, have you understood how to find the median? We are going to now learn how to find the median of grouped data. So, for grouped data, there is a formula. I will explain the formula first and then we will do one problem. Generally, median problem is not coming in the examination. So, I am going to do that in one problem. Median grouped data. What we are doing is ungrouped data, median formula for grouped data. I am going to give one example for this. So, after you do the example, you know how to find the median. Find the median. Straight away I am doing the median problem. Find the median. Class interval is given and frequency is also given. 65 to 85, 4. 85 to 105, 5. 105 to 125, 13. 125 to 145, 20. 145 to 165, 14. Next, 165 to 185, 8. Next, 185 to 205, 4. A table is given like this. You have to find the median of this grouped data. I am writing the formula for median here. Median is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into h. This is the formula. So, we will do this problem now. One problem I am doing for grouped data. Afterwards, if possible, we will do 1 or 2 examination questions also. First of all, take the given table and convert the given table into columns. So, class interval and frequency. I am writing it. What is the first class interval? 65 to 85, which is 4. Next, 85 to 105, which is 5. 105 to 125, 13. 125 to 145, 20. 145 to 165, 14. 165 to 185, What is that? 8. 185 to 205. How much is that? 4 is the frequency. This is the table given. You have to add up the total first. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 plus 10, 26. 26 plus 20, 46, 56, 59, 64, 4, 68. 68 is the total. You take this as n. All of you look at the table and try to understand that. In the formula, there is L, n by 2, Cf, F and H. So, we have to write the cumulative frequency. I am writing C cumulative frequency. What happens, we will see. What is cumulative frequency? 65 to 85, 4 students. 65 to 105 means 4 plus 5, 9. 65 to 125, we have to add 13 to this 9, 21. 65 to 145, you add 20. So, you get 21 plus 20, 41. Next is 41 plus 14, 51 plus 4, 55, plus 8, 60, 41, somewhere we are missed, I think. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 13, 9 plus 13 is 22, plus 20, so it is 42, 42 plus 14, it is 56, 56 plus 8, 64, plus 4, 68. So, n is equal to 64. Therefore, what is n by 2? 30. 68, I am sorry, this is 68, 34. So, we want 34. Now, where is this median n by 2 looking at? Where is that? Where is that available? 34 is available here after 22 in this class. Am I right? Look at this class. 34 comes after 22 before 42. Am I right? So, I am taking another color chalk. So, that 34 is coming before 42 after 22. Therefore, this is called median class. This is median class. In the median class, what is the length of the class? Lower limit 125. As in the mode problem, lower limit is the L. N by 2 is already written as 34. What is the cumulative frequency and what is the frequency? 20 is the frequency, F is 20. For the median class, what is the frequency? 20. What is the cumulative frequency for this? 22. This is the cumulative frequency. And next, what is the height, the length of the class interval? 145 minus 125, which is 20. So, like this you have to collect the data, then apply in the formula. What is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F into H. So, median is, what is L? 125 plus what is n by 2? 34 minus what is the cumulative frequency? 22 divided by what is the frequency? F 20. What is the height? The length of the class interval? 20. Answer is 125 plus 34 minus 22, 12 divided by 20 into 20. 20 gets cancelled. Am I right? So, this is 125 plus 12, 137 is the median. The answer for this question is 137. So, all of you write down this. I will explain the same problem once again. Median can be found out for the group data with the help of cumulative frequency. How to draw the cumulative frequency in the table? I am explaining now. Group data is given. Take the group data as it is. First row is now first column, second row is second column. As in the case of mean, mode, the same way you have to write it. What is the third column here? Cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? First class is 65 to 85. What is the frequency? 4. So, 65 to 85, how many students are there? 4. Next class is 5 students, but cumulative frequency up to 105, how many are there? 5 plus 4, 9. Up to 125, how many are there? Add up, 22. Up to 145, how many are there? 42. Up to 165, just add it, 42 plus 14, 56. Next is 56 plus 8, 64. Next is 64 plus 4, 68. The grand total of these frequencies should be equal to this number. Then only your cumulative frequency column is correct. After writing that, you have to remember or by heart the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. What is Cf? Cumulative frequency. What is L? Lower limit of the median class. What is n by 2? Total strength, total frequency divided by 2, and f frequency of the median class, and h is the class interval. I have written all this. You have to locate the midpoint here after 22 and 42. So, it is in between that. Therefore, the middle point 34 is in between 125 and 145 median class. You locate that as median class. Write L, F 20 frequency, cumulative frequency is 22, then Cf is written 22, height is 20. Substitute all the values in the formula, you will get the answer as 137. So, in the examination you may be asked to find the median for the ungrouped data like this. So, mode, median, mean, any question may be asked. Generally my observation is that median is generally asked, mode is very rarely asked, median is very rare, but you get familiar with this median also. Very simple formula, no computation part, only one cumulative frequency column, and get that, you will get full marks for this. Writing the formula is always better in doing in the examination. For formula at least they will give 1 mark, table 1 mark, working 1 mark, answer 1 mark. So, even if small mistake is there, you are losing only 1 or 2 marks out of this. Therefore, always doing that in a tabular form with full data is advisable. I hope you enjoyed learning mode, median, mean in statistics. Always take a paper, pencil, repeatedly practice this, apply the formulae, memorize the formulae, and recollect the formula, and try to write the formula repeatedly, and try to take the ungrouped data and grouped data. For grouped data only it is little bit complication, ungrouped data it is very easy. So, I hope you all enjoyed learning median also. So, I am just moving the other side so that we can take the screenshot of this. So, take a screenshot of this comfortably. So, this is ungrouped grouped data median part.